Hey guys, it's Eric Green. I'm going to answer this question one more time. Do you need a customized organizer? Yes, obviously. Why? Well, first of all, it makes it so much easier for the client and so much more likely they'll respond if they're not going through pages and pages of junk that doesn't apply to them. These organizers cost less than half of those paper organizers, and two, they will get returned 2 to 3 times as often as those paper organizers. So you've checked your due diligence requirements, you've covered yourself in terms of client disputes, what they told you and didn't tell you. You've done it at a fraction of the cost. And if you've automated your process, you now have all the info to automate the preparation of that 1040. So a customized electronic organizer is not only the future of the practice, you need this to save yourself time, money, and future headache if an issue comes up.